So what is that? 75 all the way to 20, right? So think about it. Okay. So day trade is not about trading every day, but the right day, right? And this action right here, the CPI, that's not gonna be that's gonna be a little bit of a challenge to figure out if it's what's really going on, in other words, right? All right. Okay. Thanks. Thanks everybody. Thanks. Thanks, Johnny, Busy. Thank you, Iceman, Green Tick, Robbie, all of them. Thank you very much for the sound test, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, hang in there. Go ahead and say it again. What we're gonna do with this 50-point move, right? What the hell are we gonna do with it? Okay. All right. Well, let's see. Okay. Is it gonna continue going up? Is it real? Is it psychological? Is it emotional? What the hell happened? Why did it go up 50 points in 50 microseconds? Let's find that out. So one thing I do know, we have support right there at 90. Not that we are intimidated, but we all know that day trading, it's not about trading every day, but the right day, right? It's very important to know. Amateurs, novices, they have no clue. They look at the chart, they have no idea what's really going on, and they think that it's just another day, you know. And no, it's not. Okay? No, it's not. So what does it look like it is we're going to do? Well, you all know that we have a prediction addiction here, right? And the reason we have that addiction is because we trade the future. We're all about the future. Don't care less about the past. Future. What's going to happen? That's why everything is live, real time, right? Okay? That's very important. All right, well, not that we don't trade what we see. Of course, we trade both. We trade what we think, and we trade what we see. On a day like today, it looks like we're going to have to start with trading what we see. We've got to, after 50 points in 50 microseconds, we just have to wait to see what's really going on. All right, we don't know yet, but let's see if this is a pullback in an uptrend. Meaning, is this 50-point move up the one that is going to remain? Or is it a trick? Well, so far this is a pullback, and our job is to figure that out. Okay, so we know that we have support at 90. All right, so that's our first support. This is our micro channel, 90 support. Remember that we buy support and we sell resistance. Do we buy support and sell support sometimes? Yes, we do. Okay, I'll tell you when. If you see support right there, 90, that's a buy, isn't it? Buy support, sell resistance. Let's see what the real resistance is, okay? Hang in there. Can it change this 90 in a split second? Of course it can. The market is dynamic. Everything is changing all the time, and that's why so few traders make it in this business. All right, we're gonna bring it down one handle, like the kids on YouTube say, to 189, 88, 89. All right, 88, 89. That's we're gonna bring it down one handle. All right, this low right here, it's a key level. Okay, this one right here, it's a key level. It's a swing low, 96. All right, so a little bit bounce, 4 point bounce. This is gonna tell us. So that's good, because at least now we know what to expect. This is a swing low right here. Okay, we don't have the long-term direction, but we have the short-term. As long as the price is above this 96, the play is long. Clean break of 96, the play is short, and let's see what it is the price would go in case that this 96 is taken. All right, so we're gonna pay real close attention to 96 right here, right now. It's a swing low, and we are in a single dimension, believe you me. So this is what's gonna happen. All right, even though we had a 50-point move, we still are in the lookout for today being a trending day. Remember that that's the one thing that more than direction than a professional, a real trader wants to know. If you know beforehand that today's going to be a trending day and not a chop day, which is 80-75% of the time, right? Depending on the time frame and all of that, then you know very well that you're not going to do any no shenanigans, and then you're going to, if you know it's going to be a trending day, you're just going to, you won't hesitate on getting the hell out, changing hats, because you will nail the beginning of that trend. All you got to do is let it ride, which is what everybody preaches, but nobody tells you how to do it. It's a humongous difference right there. Okay, and now we have 96 as a major key level, telling us exactly direction, and we also are expecting now 50 bounce of 96. It goes all the way to 22, right? The high of the CPI. Then, well, you know, that's okay, and we'll continue managing it. The novice, they don't even know the importance of looking after that type of information. They don't even because I know why. It's almost impossible to foresee that. What's the next major piece of information we need to know? We all know that it is not enough to know where the price is going, which is what day trading professional, profitable, consistently profitable day trading is all about. But how it's gonna get there? This 96 right here is gonna tell us. It's a key level, my friend. So smart money is gonna give us a hard time right there. Okay, we'll see the momentum. You'll see. So where is this thing going? The bulls, they need to take it all the way to 30. Oh my God, really? Yeah, that's right. Okay, 30 is the first, 31. 31, ladies and gentlemen, is the first resistance. 31 is going to be target 1. 31. And we all know that because it's a target. Why is a target? Because it's resistance. What do we do in resistance? We short resistance, right? How are we going to do it in this case? As a counter trend, because the main play, if it continue going, we don't know, anything can happen at the open, right? This thing can just come back to 96, destroy, and go the other way. As long as there is a bounce right here off of 96 that I told you 10 minutes ago, the play is long. Of course, the open is coming. Smart money is going to play with the novice. 96, maybe, maybe not. We know exactly what to do. And where is it going? Well, it's going to 31. Oh, really? How about this high right here, the CPI high? Well, of course. Even the teenagers on YouTube know that 21 is a double top. What do you think? It's going to destroy 21 on a single? No, that's not going to happen. But we know where we're going, right? Because everybody tells you that the secret in trading is letting it ride, but nobody tells you how to do it. This is how you do it. Okay, let's go for it. Hey, if it breaks 96, man, then 88 is not going to be a target. It's going to continue going down. Yeah, we're going to see, of course, the ebb and flow. And then I need to figure out where, just like we know the bulls, they want to go to 31. Let's see where the bears is going to go. One of the two is going to win. 67. Oh, okay, so now, ladies and gentlemen, we have 230 and 167, and of course the 188, and the most important key level 96. Alrighty, price came right back down here. We buy support. I told you 10, 15 minutes ago, this is a buy right here. Cap, it didn't go to 96, man, so I missed it. Well, if you missed it, you're right, then, oh my God, look up here, 205, 206, man, I could be now up plus 6, plus 7, plus 8. Well, that happens. That's what happens when you're not paying attention, right? Alrighty then. Don't worry about it. We might have another opportunity at the open when the volatility and the momentum comes, and that's gonna be a tough one, and to do it again. And if not, those of us who are already long right here, this bounce off of 96, 97, right? We wanna go to 31. We're not gonna go to 31 straight line. We all know that, but that's our plan. That's our objective, and that's what we're going to be strong and do. So you don't need me to tell you which direction to have your position going, because you already know. Number one, above 96, we're going to 31. Below, clean break, we're going to 67. Price is going to dance with 96. Hopefully, we don't want that, but we know that the smart money does that all the time. And then, which is, until I tell you otherwise, that's the plan. Stick to it. Not gonna be easy, because this 12 right here, that's a bearish hangover. Okay? Why is that important for us to know? Well, because we need to know not only where the price is going, but how it's gonna get there. And we know that 12, it's a bearish hangover. The bears are not gonna let the bulls take. One of the two is gonna win, and we are expecting the bulls to be the ones that win this battle, as long as our 96 base holds. Eventually, the odds are that, is it gonna be in the next 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes? Who the hell knows, right? But 96 is not taken. We're going to 30. So 96, that's 4. So we are on a trip that we think, because remember, we try everything, it's going to be a 34 point, of which we want to grab as many as possible. All right? Build back better. All right? Build back better. Keep with the plan. Is it possible that this 12 is so strong, price is not going to take it? And this thing is going to drop and plummet all the way to our 96 in a couple of seconds, in the next 2, 5 seconds, 1 minute. Of course it is. We're not going to let the smart money shake us out. All right? Oh, gee, look. Oh, is that a recoil of 10 all the way to almost 200? Is that an almost 10-point recoil, as if we weren't expecting it, right? Okay. Yeah, we haven't seen this before. Okay, we're not pretentious, we're none of that. Remember, today is one of the toughest days. We are in a single dimension. Most traders have no idea of this condition that is the one that we want to reduce, because remember, we are position sizing as well. It's the most important of our 7 elements on every trade. Today, it's not a Lamborghini day. Alrighty, okay. No, but 34 points, CAPI. That's terrific. No. It's the conditions that is gonna make it so difficult. All right. Oh my God, CAPI, 98. Gee, really? Look at it. So repeat. We know that we had a 12 strong bearish setup. 12. Price goes to 10. Cannot take it. Recalls. What do you think? The smart money doesn't know that all the weak bulls have stopped right here at 94, right? 93, 94. Of course they know. We have our 188, right? Still there. It's not the one that is going to tell us the direction. Okay? It's 96 the one that is going to tell us. 88 is the squeeze of the 96. 96, 88 is the squeeze. Now, did the price nicely took 98? Yes, it did. That's a clean break, isn't it? So, who's in control right now? The bears. Oh my God, really? Yeah, that's right. Oh my God, so where are the odds now? Well, the odds now is that, remember, 88 became weak. The odds are that it's going to take it. It's not going to be easy because it's going to play with us again. And then it'll continue to 67. All right? Oh my God, so we have to change that? Well, didn't you see the break of the 96? Smart money knows that all the bulls have their stop there, so they're just getting out, and they have to destroy them. Clean break of 88 is going to give us the confirmation that we are on the right track by changing hats to bear, and now we are expecting the price to take 88. Is it going to be easy? No, I just told you, right? But the odds now are that it's going to break and continue to 67. Look at the bounce. We've known 88. Oh, Capi, can I go long 88? Of course you can, right? You're taking a counter move. The main play, the longer, is buried to 67. It's okay to be long 88 because we know that 88 is support. It's okay, but be prepared to get the hell out. Alrighty? Okay. Alrighty. So main play, sure, breakout of 97, 96. Where does it go to? 88, which we've known all morning long. The odds are that it will be taken. And where is the destination? 67. So we have direction, right? We have entry. We know what type of trade we're on right now, right? A stop. Well, if this thing goes right back to 96, 97, we know that the smart money wants to dance with everybody right here. They want to make it difficult for you not to know. As we stop right there, clean break of 97 to the upside, bulls take back control. And then it'll go all the way back to 31, right? Okay. Stop. Now we have position size. We know the condition that we're on today. Position size, we're going to take it easy. We're warming up, basically. There is a lot of traders that don't trade this, the open, because they don't want to change that. Here at Capital Trade Center, we don't hesitate on changing hats. If we know where the price is going, why are we not going to change hats? Boom. 96, right? Sell stop, 96. We knew it was going to go to 88, and we are expecting a plummet action all the way to 67. So from 96 to 67, that's still pretty good. Is the 31 out of the picture? Not yet, because we are trading what we see today. So we don't have an edge today. We're doing the same thing that all the regular, normal, average trader does. It's not up to us. The conditions today force us to do it this way. All right? So, that's an explanation, full-on explanation. Look at the action. Look at the action off of 88. Tell me that's not laughable, that we already knew it, right? Look at it. It takes 88 a little bit. It takes it right back up. It takes it a little bit. It's dancing around here. It's 9:41. It's been 11 minutes. And oh my God. So what it is we need to think right now? Oh my God. Is this move below 97 a squeeze? That's why I told you it's okay to be long 88, but don't you dare to let it destroy you, right? Being long 88, you know that you're on a counter trend because we know the main play is short to 67. Is it possible that we might have to change hats again? A simple question. You bet. All right? The smart money is destroying everybody right here, 88, 96. It's destroying everybody. Once they have all the money of all the amateurs and the retail traders, then they'll do what we said half an hour ago. Let's see. We're gonna bring that 77 1 point to 78. Okay, we're gonna bring it 1 point to 78. That's good, right? Because it's closer to the new low 80, and taking of it, then we have more confirmation that we are on the right side by being sure 97, 96, right? That we've known half an hour before it happened. We were totally prepared for it because we knew where the price was going to go. It's going to go to 88. 88 is going to stop it temporarily, exactly like it did. It was going to break it, like I said. We are expecting the price to eventually break the 88 now and continue. It just did. We just placed 80. So from 80 to 96, that's 16 points that the price has gone in our direction, of which you have to think, oh my God, I'm tempted to take 16 points here, 15, 14 points. Don't do that. Alrighty? Oh, what do you mean don't do that? You have to, man. Do not do that. You're trading scare money if you do that. Because I'm telling you that I'm expecting a continuation to 67, right? But what if it doesn't? Well, if it did, if I can guarantee it, then that's the Holy Grail. And we all know that the Holy Grail doesn't exist, right? All right. But what we do here is what not one single other trading room in the world does. Tell you exactly how to let it ride. And if you don't, then because you already made 2-3 grand and that's your goal for today, then it's okay, I guess, right? But you're not here to be an amateur. You're not here to be an average trader. You're here to be a total, complete pro. All right? That's what you're here for. And we don't trade scare money. Okay? Oh. Okay, CAPI, I'll do it, man. All righty. Okay. Now, is it okay to have a trail? If it breaks the trail, then you get the hell out so that we can log from 96. You can have a trail right there at 88. We know 88 is as a matter of fact, you know what? It's not 88 anymore. We're going to move it up to 90. Okay, which is still good. Right? We want the price below 90. Oh my God, CAPI, we have plenty of trails right here. Look at the trend line, right? A clean break of the trend line, a clean break of whatever it is you use to trail, right? Don't let it trail as long as you get back in, build back better. All right. Oh my God, CAPI, yeah, I got out here, man, 80. I just made 15 points. I'm going to let's see if this bounce right here, you said 78, right? Price went to 80, 2 points below 78, right? 78, 2 points. Okay, so let's see if it bounces all the way back to 88, 90. Bam! I add to a winner or establish a new position short. Okay, if that's the plan, I mean, if that's how you want to play it, good. But remember that 90 is not as strong as 96. Okay, so 90. So in other words, the smart money is going to be a lot easier for the smart money to shake you out off of 90 than off of 96. Okay, so you want to get out on this. You know that we are in a 78, 90, 12 point lip. Well, let's see what's going to happen. Okay, until I tell you otherwise, we want to stay short. The 5231 is not that it disappeared. It's in the back burner. Okay, all right. All of this could easily be, so easily, all of this action below 96, this can all easily be a squeeze, a bull squeeze, you know. but we're on top of it, right? We're on top of it. We're watching it, right? Because we know that all the bulls that want to go to 31, they're loving it going long right here, right? Because they're getting the best risk-reward ratio entry. That's just mathematics. We all know that the market is dynamic. It's changing all the time. Market moves in cycles, in circles. It rotates. It gives you new information. We are in a rotation right now, so we're gonna have a new information pretty soon. Okay, we are in rotation right now. Oh my God, really? Yeah, that's right. Okay, we keep with the plan though. All right, 96. It's telling us we know 88. We know 78. All right, we know the importance of being above and below on a day like today. Okay, and we know that we know everything. We know everything the odds tell us. Okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen, our job now. You see this low right here, 80? It's the same as 97. Remember 96? It's out of the picture. Bulls are in control right now. Oh my God, CAPI, the price has already bounced more. Listen, remember what I told you. Now, it's not going to be easy. Now we are expecting the price to, in other words, the bulls are back in control. Price right now is 95, right? Oh, okay, terrific. Okay, we never got our 67s. This right here now will be taken. Change of hats again, back to bull. And what did I say 5 minutes ago? 31 is back in business. It was in the back burner, not anymore. That's where we're going now. Oh my God, so what do we do, man? Right here at this 96. What do you think is going to happen now? The smart money is going to play with everybody. Remember, above 96, we're going long. If it comes right back to 96 again, it doesn't matter. We have now medium-term direction. Price, bulls are back in control. Price is above 96. 90, right? 90, good. And now it's on its way to... It's on its way to 08. All right? That's the first resistance. Okay? It's 08. That's where it's going next. Okay. All right. 08. That's where it's going next. So this 03, no big deal. That's not resisting. That's not an important resistance anymore. 12, of course, 12 is still there. But, oh my God, CAPI, it would have been terrific, man, if we had known right there at 80, 78, that the bulls were going to take back control. On a day like today, I'm telling you, it's next to impossible. So, listen to this. So, is 96 still the main play? No. It's 80 now. This 80 right here is now the key level that is going to tell us where direction and trend is. We already know above 96, right? Long time ago, bulls are in control, and now also 80. So, even if there is a pullback, we don't want to be short. Repeat. Even if there is a pullback all the way to 78, we do not want to be short yet. Why yet? Because right now, the smart money is squeezing everybody. So, and we continue trading what we see. We have no choice. These are the conditions that the market is giving us, and we have to just accommodate to what the market wants us to play it. Let's see. 08. That's 7.5. Remember, 8, and of course, Even the teenagers on YouTube, or those that claim that are real traders, even they know, boom, is that '08 to the tick? I believe it is, right? Isn't it? Isn't this '08 right here to the tick? Yes, it is, right? Remember, even the teenagers know that 10 is a double top. And we have 12 long time ago. So what do you think? You think the price is going to take this '08, this 4-point canal right here, micro range, anytime soon, easily? That's not going to happen. Look at the recoil off of '08. Look at it. All right, so we know that '08, right, was our target 1, right? Oh my God, Cappy, why just so, so close? Okay, don't worry about it. We're going to build back better. Don't worry about it. All right. We have to lock here. All right. '08 is target 1. All right. It's a range. '08, 12 is target 1. All right. So in other words, we had target 1. We had target 131 long time ago. No. The market is dynamic. It's changing all the time. Everything changes all the time. We already had a rotation, gave us new reading, and we nailed the change of direction when the price was right here at 94. Remember when I told you, change hat, back to long, go long, right here, 94 to 31. But 31 is not target 1 anymore. '08 is target 1. All right. Okay. That's we're gonna lock there. '08, 12. Target 1, 4-point range. Is it gonna be easily taken? No. Don't worry about it. As long, remember that we know that the bulls are in control for real. All day long, market can change any second. And that's what we do here. Our job is to change when the market changes. And that's why most traders, 99.9% of traders, don't make it because they have no clue. Two things. Number one, there is a change in character. And number two, where is it going? We know both. That's the only way that the S&P 500 can be traded. Look at that, '08 to the tick. And you all know that if '08 is target 1, you all know that that's a counter trend short. So right now, the main play is long, this long right here, right? That's the main play that we are expecting. We have 3 units. We are expecting to lock right here '08, 12. You can get out here A, or if you're strong and if you build back better and all that, you can get out at the mid range, which is 10. Gee, what a coincidence, right? Look at that, 10. We knew 12 long time ago, right? And then we are right now in a counter trend short because I told you '08 is target 1. If '08 is target 1, is for a long position, it's target 1 because it's resistance. And what do we do in resistance? We short it. Counter trend with the micro. So right now we are in 2 places. Number 1, the long when we change hats right here, expecting the price to continue to 31, which is now target 2. And we are counter trend short right here, '08. We're not expecting the price to easily take '08. That's why we shorted it with the micros. So we are long right here. We're not gonna let the market shake us out. And while the price take its time to continue to 31, why not take a counter trend right here, '08, that we've known since 10 minutes ago, so that we can make a couple of bucks in the meantime? Why not? What's wrong with that? Well, I'll tell you what's wrong with that. Most traders cannot do it. But here, we strive to take advantage of every single significant move the market do and will do. All right? That's how you are an above average and an excellent trader. Doing this. God, look at it. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, we were long, change hats. Listen to this. You're going to love this. When we went short, right there at the break of 96, that I told everybody to do, right? That's the entry right there. Clean break of 96, go short, right? It couldn't be more simple than that. And before the price came right back to 96 again, I told everybody, go long right here. It will take 96, the bulls to control. This is a swing low right here, 80. So go long right here, right now, 96, right? Because it will be taken. So you go long right there, easy entry. And you know where it's going. Not only you know where it's going, you know how it's going to get there. How it's going to get there? Where? 31? I told you. By way of OA 12, which is target 1. So in other words, when I told you right here, 96, get back, change hat. Get back in long. The bulls took control. This bounce is not a bounce. It's a retracement. Bulls are in control. It will break 96 and it will continue going to 31. So we're back to bull. Then what happened 30 seconds, a minute after that? Look what happened. Price took 96 and it went where? To OA. What did I say to do at OA 12? Get the hell out. It's target 1. It goes to OA, it comes back, we take a counter trend. We know it's a counter. We know you don't have to counter trend, by the way, right? If you want to be only in the direction of the longer term play, at the break of 96, go back long. Target 1, right here. What's the mid-range between 8 and 12? What's the mid-range? It's 10. Which just happens to be a double top, right? Hello, all right. 12, is 12 a strong resistance? Yes. Since when we know that 12 is a strong resistance? Since the open, when I told you 12 is a hand over bearish high probability setup that we have here. You know it 45 minutes ago. Oh my God, yeah, true. All right, so right here, target 1, you are strong, and we're going to do exactly the same thing that we were doing when we were short. Now we're going to do it as we are long. We're gonna stop break even, start trailing. We never let a winner turn into a loser. We never let a green day go red, right? And now we have this trend line here. I really don't care about trend lines, but just you go ahead and eyeball it. Eyeball a trend line right here. You don't want the price to take it, right? If it does, we know it's going to go back to our levels of support and resistance. It's going to go back to 96. All right, so this 97 is not important anymore. We're going to take it out of the equation, and we still have 96 and 90. Okay, remember 90? Okay, so good. Let's go ahead and let's just keep on going, right? Okay, look at that, 12. Okay, two things, extremely important. Number one, we are in another rotation. What does that mean? That pretty soon we're going to have a new reading. Is that new reading going to change our current plan? Not necessarily. No. Okay, that's number one. And number two, I'm expecting, ladies and gentlemen, I told you this morning, today is one of the toughest conditions there are. That's why we are position size small, right? Because we know that today was going to be difficult. I'm getting confirmation that it's going to continue getting difficult. What does that mean? The bullish forces and the bearish forces are equally strong. So I'm expecting changing hats anytime soon again. However, because we know that, then we're not expecting a huge trend today. Not yet. Therefore, if the price is not, if the day is not going to be a trending day yet, then we won't hesitate in counter trending short. This is what's going to separate the men from the boys on YouTube. All those all those master teenagers traders that all of a sudden they're teaching how to trade. You know, they're selling trading education because they have Lamborghinis and babes and mansions and all of that stuff, and they're desperate to sell you their trading course, right? These kids, they're real good traders, man. So, but they're not gonna tell you this, all right? They're never gonna read the market to you live, real time as it's happening. I don't know why, because their trading education is so good. That's how they are millionaires, you know. I don't know why they don't read the market live, real time, but okay, it doesn't matter. So what do we know then? Well, we know that, all right? Look at this. If '08 is an okay counter trend short because its resistance is our resistance, target 1, then 12, I mean, if we like it at '08, we love it at 12, do we not? As a counter trend, don't you dare to have a bigger position. This short right here, the high of the range, 12, than the main play. The main play is still long right here and expecting target 1. 21 is going to be another pain in the little butt for the bulls, but we are on our way to 31. Okay? All right. Oh my God, Capi, I'm not going to counter trend. Don't counter trend. Don't worry about it. Today is a tough day, so I understand if you don't. Right? That's their job. The smart money, they need to destroy the retail traders. You know, those who think that they're going to beat them at their game, right? You know, when I talk about the teenagers, none of them trade for real. All those hundreds of thousands of teenagers selling trading education on YouTube, none of them trade for real. None of them. They just sell their trading education. For some reason, they're desperate to teach you how to be a millionaire like they are. Right? But they don't trade for real. You know, old demo. Right? But this is real right here. Okay? So smart money needs to take the money of the retail trader, the amateurs, right? Those who've been trading for 5, 6, 7, 8 years only. Okay, that's their job. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna bring the trail to 98. Okay, 98. We the bulls. We don't want 98 taken. Okay, 98. Those of us who are long the clean break of as a matter of fact, I'm gonna leave here the 96. Remember, okay, this entry right here, 96, easy, right? Okay, but it's not 96, it's 98, the one that we're trailing. Okay, it's one trail. The trend line is another trail. Those of you traders that do whatever it is they do, Fibonacci, CCI, PFI, EFI, FBI, whatever it is you do, keep on trailing, right? We know that 31 is target 2. Okay, now 31 is target 2. Okay, and we're gonna let it ride. Is it gonna be a walk in the park? No, it won't. But that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so listen to this. It's extremely important, right? We nailed the change of hand. We went back long when the price took our 96, and we knew where it was gonna go. Target 1, target 2 is 31, my friends. By way of 22. 22. But what the hell am I doing? All right, by way of 22. Let me go ahead and put it right back here. Okay. All right, by way of 22. Here, 22. Okay, 22. So 22, listen to this. This is extremely important. This 22 right here, before we reach target 231, this 22 is gonna be like our 78. Remember 78? We were when the price broke 96 and broke 90, right? Our next support was 78, and the price went only to 80. Remember? It's right here. And this is when we said, oh my God, this is another swing low. This is extremely important. It's real. Price is going to change. And we needed confirmation, right? We still needed confirmation. Boom. The price gave us confirmation at 9.55 when it took 96. We knew it was going to take it when the price was 92. I told you it will take it. So we're long here, 92, 93, 92, and if you're late, 96, that you've known since 9 a.m. Right? Okay. So 22 is going to be pretty similar than 78. Okay? By way, just like we were expecting the price to break 78 and continue going down, and it didn't. We had already made 15, 16, 17 points. This is the same right here, 22 by way of. That's what by way of means. So what does that mean exactly? We're still expecting the price to go to 31 by way of 22. What does that mean? Well, that 22 is not gonna let the price go on a beautiful one single move to 31. So if we see a recoil off of here, 22, we are expecting it. If we don't, and it goes all the way to 31, boom, target 2. Right? Okay, so let's see how the price is going to behave right here at 22. Because remember, not only we need to know where the price is going, we need to know at all times how the hell it's going to get there, right? If you know that, that's the only way that you're going to be able to manage your position and won't let the smart money shake you out. Listen, don't be discouraged. I believe that's 22 to the tick. All right, good, terrific. So we know it's not gonna clean take. But listen, Goldman Sachs just called me and they told me, hey, listen, we have a bearish car hidden under our slit. Yeah, sure, we've gone up beautiful from 80 all the way to 22. That's 80, 90, 20, right? 80, 90, 100, 1, 2. That's 43 points that we were able to nail only since 96. I know. But later on, okay, we need to be on the lookout for a all of a sudden move down. Okay, I know that. Okay, let's go ahead, and that's not gonna change our strategy in terms of how we manage our position. We're going to 31. Is it guaranteed we're gonna get to 31? Of course not. We've wanted to go to 31 since the open. Smart money, squeeze the bulls. We went with them, right? So we were squeezing the bulls, knowing that when I told you, 31 is not disappearing, it's in the back burner, right? So we're going there, and then we're gonna continue playing it we're gonna continue playing the day exactly how we've been doing it. Alrighty then, taking 22, not that bad actually, right? It's pretty good. Come on, baby, give me 31, right? So we're gonna pulse it out. 31, target 2. All right, ladies and gentlemen, those of you who are terrific traders, and you are strong, and you don't trade scared money, and you trade for real, boom. Target 2, it's a range. Oh my God, another range, CAPI. Yeah, sometimes it's a range, sometimes it's not. Today, it's a 5-point range. 31, bada bing, bada boom, 35, here, 36. Okay, yeah, that's right. Just like target 1 was a range. Okay, target 1 was a what? Was a 4-point range. This one, it's a 5-point range. Okay, so we have the high and we have the low. You can get out 31, you can get out 36, Or you can get out the mid-range, man, 31, 32 half, right? 33. Okay, it's a range, target 2. And remember, we only trade 3 units. So we always know how many times we're going to get out, and we always know exactly where are we going to get out. It's not like all those fake gurus out there that when they all of a sudden nail the trade, then they have runners. Oh, let's get out here. Oh, let's get out here. Oh, let's get out. And they get out 100 times. But we never knew how many contracts, position size, they were in. This is what fake gurus do to con beginners. Beginners have no idea. And then all of a sudden they begin having runners. When you hear the word runner, when you are following a fake little teenager master trader, every day there is a new teenager, a master trader on YouTube, right? And they say runners, run the other way, all right? They have no clue how this is really done. The way this is done is you know exactly your position size, and you know exactly how many times you're gonna get out, and you know exactly where you're gonna get out. That's how this is done. We have 3 units, target 1, target 2, and target 3. Period. That's it. Target 3, of course, a little bit more complicated because depending on your account balance, we can play with last target off of unit 3. All right, those of you who are listening to this, please, believe you me, you hear the word runners, run away. And you know what's funny? If you are following one of these, fake gurus out there on YouTube and you say, hey, listen, but how many runners do you have? They kick you out of the room and they get mad. When these fake gurus get mad at you, you know that they're conning you, right? You know that. All right. I just have a little bit of time to go through that. Not because I couldn't care less about this thing. I care about you. I want you to understand how this is really done. And this is how it's done. So there is to it. Oh, why is it only like this? Because I'm the only one that is going to read the market live, real time, as it's happening. So unless there is another one reading the market live, real time, and he does it in a different way, oh, well, that's terrific. Let me know about it, and I would love to learn from that one. Find it. Go ahead, find somebody that reads every single day from 9 to 12, read the S&P 500. Find it. Go ahead, find it, and tell me. Surprise me. Prove me wrong. I'm on a roll today. Well, because I know how difficult today is, and having been able to nail it is pretty good. All right? Love it. Love today's action. Why? Well, because this is all live, real time. How can you not love? By the way, I'm recording this session. And I don't know if I'm gonna make it public to the freeloaders on YouTube or not. I'll make that decision later today. All right, okay, ladies and gentlemen, what is that? Is that 30 and change? All right, I believe that's almost 31. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna bring the trail from 90 to 208. This 208 right here. Okay. All right, we're gonna make. All right. We don't want the price to take 08. All righty. Remember, we are after 31 and 36, target 2, and we don't know. We don't have target 3 yet. It's okay. Stop, break even, start trailing. Eventually, the market is going to tell us what's the next resistance that we should place as target 3. Okay. Okay. Courage money. Don't get scared. And we're bringing up the trail, and of course we have another trend line here. We have a break of structure right here. Scared money. They all have this stop right there at 24. Are you kidding? We've seen this a million times. No, CAPI. if it breaks 24, I'll get the hell out. I don't have any problem with that. As long as you get back in long and ride it all the way to 36. All right? Okay? Sure, I mean, you know, you want to tighten your leash on your trail, it's okay, but get back in, right? Because what separates us from the rest of the world is that we let it ride. Okay? That's what every fake guru out there tells you. I've said it many times. I'm going to say it again. Everybody says the masters of the obvious on TikTok, they tell you a lot of information. I mean, they sound and they look like they know what they're saying, but they don't tell you how to do it. All right? I love the masters of the obvious. Oh man, there are so many. There are so many. Every time I see them, it cracks me up. Okay, all right, put a bit, boom. Okay, that's 30. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so that's 30 quarter, right? So 3 ticks to our target, to the range of our target 31, right? It's okay, if you want to get out a point above, a point below, a couple of ticks above, below, a point below. In other words, 30. You want to get out 30? I know a lot of you do. I'm okay with it. So 31, target 2, below, accomplished. And those of you paying attention, right? Remember what I told you, right? Okay. If it wasn't, if I coulda, woulda, shoulda, whatever. I know that there is a hidden bearish move for later. I know it. Okay, but that's why we trail, right? If we didn't have that move that I know we have, then I would tell you, do not get out 31. Just let it ride to 26. But because I know there is, I'm okay. It's called trade management. The way you manage your position is by continue knowing the odds as to what it is the price is going, the entire market is going to continue doing. If you know the future, like we do here, I'm kidding. If you know the odds as to what the market is going to do in the future, then that's the only way that you can manage it. That's the only way you can manage your position. All right. So I know it might happen, it might not happen all day today. Remember that we are in a single dimension. So what's one of the characteristics of a single dimension condition? Those of you paying attention, you know that I said one of the good things is the toughest, right? But one of the good things is that the odds that it's going to be a trending day, it's recorded. So those of you who want to, if I don't make this recording public today and you want to see it, let me know and I'll send it to you. At 9 a.m. this morning, I told you, hey, listen, we are in a condition in which there's good odds that the market is going to trend. And I also made the comment, that's more important than direction. If you know, remember when I said that, everybody? If you know that the market is going to be in a trending day, then you don't hesitate on letting it ride. Would you say that this move from 180 to 230 is pretty much, we can consider this 50 points move up, can we consider that a trend? What do you think? All right. You know how difficult it is to know the odds when the market is going to trend? And we are only at the low of the range of the 5-point target 2. We still have target 3. All right? This is how you buy a real Lamborghini. Is that 32 and change, ladies and gentlemen? I believe it is. So, repeat. Hey, CAPI, can I take a counter trend right here? 32, man. I mean, you said that, it's okay, right? Well, of course you can. short position, but you know that you're taking it at the low of the range, right? If you want to counter trend short, what's better? 21, 31, or 36? Which one is better? Number one, we all know, right? The mid-range is 33, right? Right here, 33. You can do it. You need to know a couple of things. Number one, you're taking a counter trend. You're taking a trend against a massive uptrend. Right? That's tough. So give yourself a little bit of room. Take the high of this 36. No, CAPI, because I might miss it. FOMO, right? Hey, listen, aren't you happy with 50 of these 56, 55 points that the market has gone up? We have been able to capture 30. And you happy with that? Well, yeah, CAPI, but you always say, man, that what separates the men from the boys is when we take advantage of every single move. It's true. All right. Okay. Do it. 36? Yeah, 36. How? Well, we're going to pulse it out. We're going to bring up the trail so that we can lock plenty points, and then look at your P&L. Everybody does that, by the way. I do it, you do it, we all do it. Oh my God, look at my P&L. I wasn't expecting making this much today. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna get all out. I know there is a lot of you traders all over the place getting out right here, 34, all out. That's it. I'm done. All out 34. If the price goes, if we get a pullback, and CAPI says this is a good resistance to establish a new position long, or for those of you who want to have a bigger position to target 3, then add to a winner, then I'll do it again. Okay, that's a good plan, because days like today, really difficult to read, and that end up being a trend, are not a dime a dozen. What? Yes, CAPI. I'm not going to get out until the price goes exactly to 36. I want you to be proud of me. I just want you to know that I do exactly what you say. All right? I'll show you my exit right there, 36, so that you know that I'm not full of it. Oh, okay, man. But you know that you can get out. I mean, are you kidding? That's 34.75. That's pretty good. That's pretty good already. You know? Oh, okay. All right. All right. I think that's 35 and change. Is that 36? I believe it is. We're going to pulse it out now. Pulse it out. Target to the high accomplished. Right? Right. You already made 45 points. You can afford to, take a little bit of a counter right here. No, CAPI, let's ride it to target 3, man. Of course we are. Relax. It's not even 11 yet. Of course we're gonna ride it to target 3. Let me get it. I'll tell you in the meantime. Let's. You came here to trade, right? You're a day trader. You're a scalper. Well, let's do it. Let's trade. Let's scalp. As long as you have a proven strategy, it's good, Can you believe that? So all that move down from the open, which we took it, was nothing but a major squeeze. The smart money, they were vicious today. Let's go ahead and squeeze the bulls. They know where they were going to capitulate. They took all the stops of all the weak bulls at the open when they brought the price all the way to 180. We took advantage of it because we were short too. We went to 180 ourselves. And then boom, look at the reversal. We noticed the real intentions of the smart money. We changed hats to bull. We were already prepared to ride it to 31. Look where we are at right now, 37. That's how this is done. This is how the cookie crumbles. If it's not live, though, it's not real. Remember, if it's not live, like this, live, real time, as it's happening, believe you me, it's not real. Don't believe them. Don't believe all these con kids. These con kids on YouTube, if they don't trade live, real time, it doesn't matter how much it looks like they know what they say. It doesn't matter. You have to be strong. If it's not live, real time, it's not real, period. Don't be fooled by fake P&L. Don't be fooled by testimonials. That's my favorite, testimonials. You know, all those testimonials. I have a lot of hey, listen, you know, when they trying to sell you their garbage trading education, hey, listen, you ask them, is there anything that, you know, what do you do to prove to me that your trading education, you know, the one that made you rich, is any good? It's real. Whoa, look at all the testimonials that I have from my students. They are kids and they have students. All right, so look at it, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. I'm talking to you, but I'm looking at the rig. I'm looking at the counter trend right here. Look at this. It's 37, right? It's 37 short. Right? I told you, take it. Right? Okay. Look at this. Look at this pullback to 34. Okay, it's not bad, 34, right? And what do you think is going to happen now? Well, this 31, 36, it's no man's land for some people. For us, we know exactly what it is, right? Okay, so we took a shot short here, above 36. I told you to take it. Easy entry right there because you heard it, right? Counter trend, you also know what type of trade you're on in a counter trend because we have one more unit to target 3. Leave it alone. Unless you're trading scare money and you don't know how to let it ride. Right? Or you just want to get out and then buy again for target 3, build back better. That strategy is okay with me here too. All right? So you know, play it. All right. Is that pullback taking 31? Yes, it is. Oh my God, CAPI, all the way to 28, right? From our counter trend short. In a counter trend, we're up 9, 10 points right now. In a counter trend, think about that. In a counter trend. And the entry, once again, easy entry, 36, 37, counter trend, that I told you to take it. It's okay, take it, right? Not only you're taking it, you know what it is, and you know how to manage it, and you know everything, right? It's the only way to trade. You have to be in control, in complete control. You have to be in complete control of none of the price. We cannot control the price to go 50 points, but we can control how we manage what we're doing. Knowing, of course, the future, because remember, we are all about the future. We are all about predicting, all right? A projection is a prediction. If we projected 90 minutes ago that the price was going to go to 31, and then 45 minutes ago it was going to go to 31 and 36, and if we projected that shorting 36 is an okay play because we want to take advantage of the pullback that there's going to be there, that's a projection. A projection is a prediction, and that's all we do here, is predict. So when you hear one of these, you know, these fake trading education teachers telling you, trade what you see, don't trade what you think, the only reason they're saying that is because they have been told that, and they don't trade for real, so they think that that's how it should be. They think that that's what they should tell you. You know what I mean? They don't know because they have never traded ever for real. So just like you run away when you see one of these fake gurus telling you, a runner, when they tell you, trade what you see, don't be stupid, don't trade what you think, they have no clue. Alrighty? Okay. Counter trend, short, 36, 37, it didn't even go to 38. So, it's a razor sharp entry. The price has gone up 55 points, and our counter trend short 37. It's a razor sharp entry. Okay. Alrighty then. All of this. Yeah, man, it's unbelievable. 50 points, man, and the counter trend, every single entry is being razor sharp. As soon as we get in, man, on those clear, clean entries that you've called, it's just the price continue going. How the hell do you do that? I've been trading the S&P 500 for 37 years. How do you think I do that? I started 37 years ago. And this is all I trade. That's it. Every single day in this room for the, I don't know, the past 6, 7 years, I have not missed one single day. Right? Because I like it. I like this more than playing golf. What can I say? I'm on the lookout for target 3. Right? We all know that. But we are strong money, courageous money. We are determined money. We are professional traders, right? So I am on the lookout for target 3, but not before we took advantage of this 10-point pullback that I told you, easy, short it, right? Even if you shorted 32, right, because you're FOMO, oh my God, no, CAPI, I'm gonna short this 31, 32, the mid-range 33. The price still went to 27, so you still made 5 points, even if you had an okay entry and not our high of the range that I told you. If we like it at 31, we love it at 37, right? That's trading. And the most important of all, we didn't hesitate because remember, we know that there is a hidden bearish move coming. Sure, we're out of here at 11:30 when the official chop begins, right? From 9 to 11:20, 11:25, by 11:30, we already done. We want to make in 2 hours what most people make in 2 months, right? That's what we do here every day, right? So, is that coming before 11:30 today, right? And if there is a lot of volatility and we haven't reached it, then we stay until 12, right? Of course. And if the volatility continue being available to us and giving us a setup, we stay until whenever. I don't play golf, so I don't mind staying until market close, right? But we want to make in 2 hours when most people make in 2 months. All right, we already did. Okay, so we are in full management now. Okay, so this is simple. 12, right? Remember 12. 12 was target 1. Remember, target 1 was 12 from our entry long right here, 93, 94. When we knew that the price was gonna take 96, we knew it 3-4 points below when I told you. Long, right now, change hat. Price is going to take trading 101, right? Remember, 96 was support. It became resistance. Resistance becomes support. We all know that. We knew that the price was going to take 96 about 2 minutes before it did. I told you, oh my God, change hats back to 31. But we changed. 31 was target 1 before. But because of that and because of the pullback and many other things, we made 31 right here, 31, 36, target 2. Originally, it was target 1, but no. So we made 12 target 1 and 36 target 2. Okay, target 2. All right, and I'm on the lookout for target 3. Right? Okay, so we must be clear on that. So what are we doing in the meantime? Well, 12, right? Support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. our levels of support and resistance. 12, right? So we have 12, we have 22, right? And then we want to continue trailing up. All right? So that we can go nicely and harmoniously to target 3. And so pretty good, right? Look at look at the recoil of our counter trend short. Oh my God, CAPI, look, 38, man. What do you think? The smart money knows that all the weak bears, those that don't know the importance of counter trending short, and those that don't know that it's actually a counter trend, because remember, they think that because the market has gone up so much, it cannot continue going up. You know what I mean? You know exactly what I'm talking about. So smart money comes, takes all the stops above 36, and boom, our counter trend continue happening, right? That's why we don't have target 3 yet, right? That's another reason why we don't have target 3 yet, because this counter trend is not over. It's 11:28 right now. Okay, let's see. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, remember, this is an all-time high. This is an all-time high. So those teenagers on YouTube and all those fake gurus that all they know is a double top and a double bottom. They don't know any other strategy. All those fake gurus out there, they don't have there's nothing to the left. This is an all-time high. so they have nothing. They have nothing, right? As a matter of fact, you know what they've been doing? They've been adding to a loser, because once they took the double top right there about 20 points ago, and they've been adding to a loser, because, oh my God, there's no way this thing is gonna continue going up. Oh my God, I'm going to double my short position. Oh my God, and the smart money is destroying the demo accounts of all these little kids on YouTube and Twitter and TikTok and all that garbage. You think I'm kidding? I'm not kidding. I'm telling you. I've seen it. I'm telling you, I've seen it. For those of you paying attention, right? Look at all this chop. Look at where the price has spent the bulk of the time, between 31 and 36. Our target 2 range low and high. Look at it. Do you think that 31 and 36, when we placed these levels an hour ago, do you think that they were taken from my belly? Look at it. Look what look what the price is doing. So when you see stuff like this, you know that you are trading a system that is the real McCoy, right? Long story short, off of our counter trend short. Look at it, 37, 38, right? Look at this beauty. Look at this. All the way to 24. It doesn't get any better than this. On a counter trend. So we're almost out of here, right? Look at that. It's 10 minutes to 12 noon, right? So remember that the reason we didn't hesitate to short counter trend, this short right here, counter trend, is because of what I told you. Right? Goldman, they're gonna dump it. Okay, not all the way to the bottom, I don't think so, but they're gonna dump it. Look at this beautiful counter trend short from 38 to 24. 24, 34, right? 38, that's 14 points and change. All right, what support? 20, 18, 20. Okay, so the bulls, here it is, 22, right? 20, 22. Okay, so the bulls, they cannot afford to have 22 taken. If 22 is taken, then things are gonna get tough. For target 3, we already up what, 30, 40, 50 points today again. All right, so let's see. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So those of you who it's early, it's only it's almost 1 p.m. Those of you who don't have anything, don't play golf like me. I don't play golf. I don't play tennis in the afternoon. I like trading more than all of that other stuff. So what have we done so far? Well, remember, we made 16 points at the Open when we went short. We were part of those of that action that was squeezing the bears, right? And then we went long here, made 16 points, then rode it to target 1, rode it to target 2, made 24 points, right? 10 contracts, that's 12 grand, 8 grand, 8 grand. And we have been in the counter trend, which also it's being a razor sharp entry. Sure, because of what I've been saying all day long regarding the drop that the smart money had under their sleeve. Haven't I been saying all morning today that I was expecting a step pullback, down move? Look at this, all the way to 07. That's 55% of the regular trading range today of a pullback. Look at it. Look at this beauty. Yeah, I know we want to make in 2 hours. Most people make in 2 months. But for those of us who stay trading, we have to take advantage of this counter trend, right? And we do this every day. This is the way to do it, period. All right, so let's say it again, just in case that nobody, or it's somebody that didn't get it. We went short at the beginning, 16 points. Then we were able to recognize that there was going to be a change in direction here way before it happened. Went long, target 1, target 2, 24 points. And then we've been counter trending. Remember that we counter trended the target 1 as well. I forgot to say. So that's why I'm repeating everything. Sure, this only gave us like 10 points, right? And this one is giving us like 30 points, right? So, but it's important that we understand that we trade the future, and we knew that a bearish move was coming, more than 50% of today's range. And look at the bounce. Where? Look at the bounce at our level. Remember, this is target 1. This is where we got out. Trading 101, support becomes resistance becomes support. Even the teenagers on YouTube, all the very little kids, the con kids in YouTube and TikTok know that. All right. So 30 points on the pullback, and it's only 1 p.m. All right. Well, let's. This is how the cookie crumbles. That's all there is to it. All right. So remember, if it's not live, it's not real. You cannot follow anybody. You have to demand. Hey, listen, you want to sell me that your trading education, you're a trading guru, and you're desperate to sell me your holy grail. Thank you very much. But would you please prove to me that the education, that course that you're selling, is any good? Can you prove to me that it works? And in my humble opinion, there is only one way that you can prove to me that garbage that you're selling me, it's good. Trade it. Trade it live, real time, and read the market in front of a studio audience every single day, Monday through Friday. If you do that, then I'll believe that the trading education that you're so eager to sell me, you want to help me be a millionaire like you, then I'll believe it. Please don't insult our intelligence with testimonials. Listen, if I go to TikTok, YouTube, and any of these kids wants to give me another testimonial, I don't know what's going to happen. I'm going to go crazy. Testimonials. When you ask them, hey, listen, So prove to me that that thing works. Well, we have a lot of testimonials. Or they show you P&Ls, with a lot of money. And my favorite, testimonials is my favorite. But when I see Lamborghini, everybody knows about the Lamborghini crap, right? Mansion, babes, and all that stuff. Tell them, hey, listen, none of that is going to convince me that you are a real trader. There's only one way to prove that you're a real trader. Read the market live, real time, as it's happening every day. Other than that, it's not good enough. All right? Telling you all of this, my dear members of mine, so that you can tell others, and in this way we can stop all this garbage, crap, con men posing as traders, real traders, once and for all. Every day there is a new teenager selling some crap. Okay, remember, these people, they have a million, 2 million followers on YouTube. They make a lot of money with their garbage, all right? So, yes, they are master YouTubers, not master traders. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's do everything in our power to let it ride to target 355 and last target, all right, last target, 68. 68 and target 355, right? Beautiful pullback that we were expecting all morning long. Bounce, bounce. We haven't got now. We still have our third unit long going, and we're going to let it ride to 55. 55. Then we're going to split our third unit, and then we're going to have a little bit of our ammunition go all the way to 68. 68, if you want to be all out, that's what I suggest. All righty, and that's pretty much it for today. How do you like that?